model is known by her username Acropolis1989. She hails from Germany. The Instagram model has figured out how to make a noticeable presence on the web with her online media accounts. As per her different online media profile, the model is a blogger too. Allow us to get familiar with Acropolis1989 and investigate her genuine name and age. tvguidetime.com. On the off chance that you are searching for Acropolis1989 Instagram model's genuine name, well, you are not alone. Nonetheless, Acropolis has never referenced her genuine name on the web or to the overall population yet. The model passes by her username at Acropolis1989 on a large portion of her web-based media and has made a conspicuous presence with her username. Acropolis implies a bastion or braced piece of an old Greek city, commonly one based on a slope. The strict interpretation of the word Acropolis in Greek is upper city. In any case, the model is popular for her web-based media name Acropolis1989, and individuals know her very well by her web-based media name. Acropolis1989 has not uncovered her genuine age yet. Nonetheless, based on her username Acropolis1989, we can figure that she was likely born around the year 1989. In the event that that is valid, the Acropolis real age is 32 years of age starting at 2021. However, the username can likewise be an irregular number or can signify something different as well, so we don't know about that. Likewise, because of the absence of data about her genuine date of birth, her zodiac sign is additionally absent, and making forecasts about her character is absurd right now. We can discover Acropolis1989 utilizing OnlyFans under her username at Acropolis1989. Likewise, she can likewise be discovered utilizing Instagram under her username at Acropolis1989. We can likewise discover a Twitter record of the model.